Bye guys. I hope that you are all fine. In this video, we are going to learn loops in Python and control flow statements in Python. Let's get started. I hopefully that you can see my screen, and I have created a file with the name of loops and control flow statements.py. Okay, you can see the left upper corner. Okay, and in Python, the main loops are there, which is for loop and while loop. Okay, to tell about for loop, the for loop is used to iterate over a sequence, like inside like in a list or tuple or string, etc. Okay, and execute a block of code for each element in the sequence. Okay, and this is the small example for a for loop. Okay, I have created a variable with the name of fruits, and the fruits variable contains a list with the elements like apple, which is a string, and banana, which is a string, and orange also, which is a string. Okay, and for okay, and I have applied into the loop, and for fruit in fruits, which is indicate the this variable. Okay, and then print fruit. Okay, for each iteration, if for our first iteration inside the fruit, the apple will be inside this fruit. Okay, then I will print the apple here. Okay, it will happen until the loop has ended. Okay, let's try by running this code. Okay, run Python file. I can see my output has come like apple first and banana second and orange third. Okay, as we have seen this order. Okay, and I am going to write another program by using range in for loop. Okay, for I in range, just we can say 0 to 3, sorry 4. Okay, and if I print I, this loop, this is what start and this is end, and this is will be like a n minus 1, which is 3. Okay, this loop will run until this end element has come like a 3. Okay, and if I run this code, the output will come like 0 1 2 3. Okay, each iteration the value will be assigned into the I, and after that I will print the I. Okay, I'm going to command these 3 lines, and I'm going to run this program. Okay, you can see as I have said, the output has printed like 0 1 2 3. Okay, well, and we'll see about while loop. Okay, yes, you can see this is the while loop, which is okay. The definition of the while loop is the while loop is repeatedly executes a block of code as long as a specified condition is true. Okay, let's see with the example. Okay, and I have created and I have written a small code, and I have created a count variable, and I have assigned with the zero variable, zero integer. Okay, and while the count is greater than 5, then print count, and each iteration the count will be increased by 1. This is almost easy. You can write this line of code like equal and count plus 1, this and count plus 1, both line are same. Okay, you can use any one of them. Okay, now I'm going to command this line. Okay, we don't need that, both are same. So that if I run this program, now firstly our count value would be 0, and for each iteration the count value would have been increased, and whenever our count value has reached more than 5, then this loop will be stopped. Okay, this loop will be run until the count value is less than 5, which is until 4. Okay. Yeah, let's try run this program. Yeah, print the output. As you can see, 0, 1, 2, and 3 and 4 has printed. But our condition is whenever the count value is less than 5, then only this looping will be run and this count will be print. Once our once upon a time our count value would be 5, then our loop will be stopped. That is what actually has happened. Okay, yes, well, I hope that you can understand the while loop also. Then we can go further to learn about control flow statements. Okay, in Python. Okay, like there are three control flow statements are there in Python. Okay, which is pause and break and continue are the control flow statements in Python that are oftenly used within the loops to control the execution of code. Okay, let's see from the first one is this pause, which is a keyword, and the pause statement is a placeholder that does nothing. It is used to do when synthetically a statement is secured, but you don't want any code to execute at the point. Okay, just imagine, just you have to want to run some function, but you don't need to execute the programs. Then you can easily write like a pause at the time. Okay, let's see with the example. Okay, an example code with a pass keyword. Okay, for I in range, I have assigned range which is 5. You don't need to care about where is the start point, where is the end point. Whenever we haven't applied any value before this value, then this is the ending point. Okay, then there would be assigned the n minus 1, and the looping will be run until the fourth. Okay. Okay. Okay, first then if this the code has run, the zeroth value will be assigned to the I, and if I is 0 is double equal to 2, then pause keyword will be in the action, and here whenever the program has come inside does nothing and just a placeholder I. Okay, pause this function. Okay, then else print I. Okay, whenever the I value has come equal to 2, then it will not print. Okay, to about 2, and remaining 2 inside the 0 to 4, the all value would be printed. Okay, let's get check run this program and see the 2 value has not printed. The reason is, we have applied here is the pause function with the condition of if I double equal to 2. Okay, that is the reason. Okay, let's look at the next one keyword, which is break. Yeah, about break, the break statement is used to execute the current loop prematurely. Okay, it is often used when a certain condition is met and you want to stop the loop from further iterations. Okay, for simple definition, to tell about break, whenever we want to, whenever we want to, or whenever this, if the condition should be reached this condition, then we can we might have thinking, okay, that point our program should have stopped, then we can assign the break keyword at that point. Okay, here I have used the break after whenever my I value has reached equal to 3, then I wanted to stop this program. Okay, after that this program will not run because of we have set the limit like 5, then our program will be run until 5, sorry, until 4, 0 to 4. But I have set a condition like I double equal to 3, which means and break whenever my I value has reached the 3, then my program will be break and the fourth value will not be executed. Okay, let's just run this program. Yeah, I've run. Yeah, our value 0 and 1, 2 has printed, but whenever the value 3 has come in this I, then the program had stopped. Fantastic. Great. Hopefully that you can understand this one also. And let's go with the continue control flow statement. The continue statement is used to skip the remaining code in the current iteration of a loop and move on to the next iteration. It is often used when you want to bypass a specific iteration but continue with the loop. Okay, let's get see with the example. Okay, now you can see I have created a for loop and I have applied my continue whenever the I value has equal to 2. Then only I want to continue this one. I will not print that I which is 2. Then my program will be run until the I value has come and printed like a 4. Now you can see it's keep printing when I is 2 because of I do not want to print the I value is 2. Okay, let us run this program. Yeah, 0 is printed. In first loop, this will be checked whether it is equal to I value it is equal to 0 or like a 2. Okay, then the first condition would not be true, so that I have printed the I which is 0. It will be continuously happen until 2, and if the condition has met the requirement, the this line would not be executed. Okay, then definitely again it will go there, and I value would have come like a 3, and this condition would be false. Then again it would have started to print I value which is 3 4. Okay, that is what actually has happened here. Okay, like output 0 1 and 2 value has skipped, and 3 value has printed, fourth value has printed. Okay. Okay, good. I hopefully that you can understand the control flow statements in Python. Okay, which is pause keyword, how to use and whenever you have to use, and break keyword and control continue keyword. Okay, you will oftenly use these three keywords whenever you have started to do some programs and do some try to solve some programs in Python. Then definitely you will use this, I can guarantee, and with the help of looping concepts. Okay, which is for loop and while loop. Okay guys, I hopefully that you can understand loops in Python and control flow statements in Python, and we'll see another video. Good luck. Bye bye.